Welcome to universalclasses.com. This course will help students to prepare for the exam 70-630. Configuring Microsoft Office SharePoint Server 2007. You can get certification if you pass online exam provided by Microsoft. There are 51 number of questions in this exam. Passing score is 700. Audience of this course is Business Application Administrator, Website Administrator, and Server Administrator who are engaged in the planning, design, and selection of line of business applications, including SharePoint Server 2007. Their primary responsibility is the deployment, customization, management, and support line of business application. What is Office SharePoint Server 2007 for? Microsoft Office SharePoint Server 2007 is a suite of server applications that can help improve organizational effectiveness by providing content management, document management and enterprise search, accelerating shared business processes, and facilitating information sharing across boundaries for better business insight. SharePoint provides collaborative solution, where information workers can use the latest technologies to work together as teams, regardless of their individual locations. SharePoint provides content management solutions, including the web content management solutions, document management solutions, record management solutions that streamline the processes of publishing and protecting information. You can build a business intelligence solution that empowers decision makers to assess business information and make informed decisions. Now we will discuss the design goals of SharePoint 2007. Before going any further, I will show you how to create list in SharePoint Portal Server 2007. SharePoint has always been good for basic business forms. A custom SharePoint list can be configured to collect any type of data, and SharePoint automatically generates the forms for adding new items, editing items and viewing items. In SharePoint 2007, the workflow capabilities make SharePoint lists an even more attractive foundation for basic business forms. This is Universal Classes Portal. I will select Document Center tab to create list from top navigation bar. There are several ways to create list. Click View All Site Content, and then click Create on the All Site Content page. In most cases, you can use the Site Actions menu and click Create instead to complete this step. Then, under Custom Lists, click Custom List. In the name box, type a name for the list. The list name is required. Here I will type Employee List. The name appears at the top of the list page, becomes part of the web address for the list page, and appears in navigational elements that help users to find and open the list. In the description box, type a description of the purpose of the list. The description is optional. The description appears at the top of the list, underneath the name of the list. To add a link to this list on the quick launch, click Yes in the navigation section. Click Create. Now I will create columns for this list. Step 1. On the Settings menu, click Create Column. Step 2. In the name box, type the name that you want in the column name box. Step 3. In the type of information in this column is, select the type of information that you want to appear in the column. Step 4. In the Additional Column Settings section, type a description in the description box to help people understand the purpose of the column and what data it should contain. This description is optional. Step 5. Depending on the type of column that you selected, more options may appear in the Additional Column Settings section. Select the additional settings that you want. Step 6. To add the column to the default view, which people on your site automatically see when they first open a list or library, click Add to Default View. Click OK. You can see this column has been created to store employee name. Now I will add values into these columns. Click on New and create new item. Type the title. Mr. Type employee name. Steve Ballmer. Then click OK. Here is the information stored on your portal without any programming.